Hey, welcome back to the channel, guys. Today I'm going to be installing the Mofo RC ROP Revenge of Pancake Brushless Motor on my Axial SCX24 Bronco. And then I'll show you the improvements of adding this motor or any brushless motor to your SCX24 vehicles, because your slow crawl gains are insane compared to your brushed motor systems. So definitely stay tuned to the end. Here's the brushless ROP Mofo RC motor. It comes with a transmission mount. And I'm going to be installing this on my Axial SCX24 Bronco. So first, remove the motor plug from the ESC. Then we'll have 3 screws to remove for the transmission and motor mounts. One on top and these 2 on the bottom. Okay, here's everything removed. The old brush system, which was my Injora Pro motor. We still need the stock transmission plate and gears, so we'll just remove the old Injora transmission plate that was installed for that motor. Then we will remove our drive shafts. We'll have to remove the main gear to get the screw out for the drive shafts. Then we'll install the transmission cover that came with the Mofo RC ROP motor to the stock transmission. And reinstall the main plastic gear. And as always, make sure we don't over tighten this. It has to have some slack in it so that you don't burn out your motor. So you just place this washer over the screw and install these 3 screws to hold the motor in place. They give you a little slack so that you can adjust the motor to the right position according to what gears you're using. Once you get the right position, just tighten that all down and do a little test. Everything seems to be working. There's no catches or sticks here, and it's all running smoothly. and everything appears to be working correctly. So just reinstall your other drive shaft. Now remount the motor with the 3 screws that you originally took off. 1 on top, 2 on bottom. And then plug in the 3-pronged brushless motor to the 3 prongs on the ESC. That'll be a lot easier to go in than the 2 prongs that you were using on your brush motor if you had a brush motor installed to the Furitek Lizard Pro. And then we'll have to clean these wires and tighten these wires up later. Go into your app and change your brush settings to a brushless setting in the settings. And if your motor's running backwards, make sure you hit counterclockwise or clockwise according to what position you need it to be in. Okay, and here's our test on how slow the vehicle is. Look at that slow crawl, guys. That's really amazing. And if you're coming from a brush system, it really is a big upgrade and an extremely noticeable difference in performance and control of your vehicle. And on the flip side, look at the speed that you gain compared to any other brush motors. And this slow crawl is insane, guys. It looks like some type of animal out of a movie or something. It's just extremely slow. This slow crawl is incredible, guys. It's amazing to look at this moving so slow compared to your brush motors. Here's another clip and another angle of just the slow crawl here. So guys, this is definitely worth the upgrade if you're on the fence about it. It's kind of hard to go back if you've never used a brushless motor before in your systems. Okay guys, I hope you really enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, definitely ask in the comments, and like and subscribe to the channel for future installs and course runs.